Kikoff vs Self 2025. Which credit builder is better? Building credit in 2025 is essential, but most people get this wrong by picking a tool without understanding features. Let's compare Kikoff and Self. Kikoff offers a free line of credit and reports payments to major bureaus. You won't believe what happens next. It has no interest or hidden fees, making it ideal for beginners wanting to build a positive history. Self provides a credit builder loan, where you make monthly payments that are reported to credit bureaus. Unlike Kikoff, it requires a small deposit and you may pay interest, but it also helps save money as the loan matures. The surprising truth is that both can improve your credit score, but the choice depends on your financial situation. Kikoff is simpler with no costs, while Self combines credit building with savings. So, which is better? For free, simple credit building, Kikoff wins. For structured credit growth plus savings, Self is smarter.